Hey guys, welcome to this microbit tutorial. Today we are going to be making a servo motor that can rotate 180 degrees. So here is what you're going to need for the project. First, you will need a microbit breadboard and the breadboard adapter. Then you want to obviously have the microbit itself. Then you want a data cable, so you can connect your microbit to the computer. Then you want 3 pin connector cables. Then you want the servo motor itself. Then you want something to connect your servo motor to. And that is it. So let's start. Okay, so the first part we're gonna do is the hardware part. And for the first step, you're going to want to take your microbit breadboard with the adapter stuck into it, and then your microbit. Now look at the golden part with the pins and stick it into the adapter on the breadboard, just like so. If you got it looking like this, then congratulations, you did the step right. Now you want to take your pin connectors, and you're gonna want to take one cable and stick it into the hole that's right next to the letter G, because here you got little tiny letters, and here at the top of the left that's G, and the hole right next to it is the one that you want to stick the cable into it. So just like so. Now you want to take another cable and stick it into the hole right next to the letter 3V. Now, it's 3V is right to the right of G. So you're going to want to stick it right to the hole next to 3V. Just like so. Now you want to take your last cable and stick it into the hole that's right next to the letter 0. Now, you're going to stick it into there, and that's done. So if you got it looking like this, then you got the next step right. Okay, so the next step will be taking your servo motor and looking at the color of the cables and the location. So right here, you have the brown cable, and it goes right into the left of here. So you want to take the cable that's right next to the letter G, and you want to stick it into the place where the brown cable goes. So, just like so. So here's the brown cable, and here's your G cable. Now you want to take the cable that is stuck into the hole that's right next to 3V, and you want to stick that right into the middle, so right where the red cable goes. So you're going to stick it in there, just like so. So red cable here, and our cable that's also red, that's stuck into the hole next to 3V right here. And now we want to take the last cable and stick it into the remaining hole, just like so. If you got it looking like this, then congratulations, you have done the hardware part right. Now just one little thing, and take the thing that you want to attach to your servo motor, which in this case for me is this arm included in the package. Now in my servo motor, there is this little white thing, and when I take the arm, I can stick it right there, just like so. And that's it for the hardware part. Now, congratulations. If you got it looking like that, then you did all the hardware right. So now we can get into the coding, aka the software. Okay guys, welcome back. Now we're gonna do the software part. So you want to open your browser, which I have set for Chrome, and type in the website makecode.com. Now it's going to take you to this site made by Microsoft, and you want to click Microbit. Then you want to click New Project and give your project a name. So you want to type a name in, and I'm going to name it Servomotor Tutorial. So just like that. Okay, done. Now you're going to click Create, and it's going to take you to this page. Now you want to right click on both of these blocks and click Delete Block. So you want to delete these two blocks because you won't need them. Now the next thing you want to do is click Advanced right here and scroll down to Extensions. Now you want to click Servo, just like so. And now you want to go into this input section. So click it, and it's going to take you here, and you're going to press and drag this right onto this landscape. And now you're going to right click it and duplicate. You're going to want to do that 2 times, just like that. And then you want to change the values. So you're going to click this box with the A, and now click on B. Click the next box, and then click on A plus B. So we can use different commands. Now you want to go to the pins section and scroll down and look at this. Servo right pin PO to 180. You want to take it right here, and then you want to duplicate it 2 times, just like last time. Now what you want to do is change the values again. So you're gonna click these boxes with 180, and this one we're gonna set to 0, and the last one we're gonna set to 90. Now if you're having difficulty sliding to the right number, you can always just type it in. So you can click the box, push delete, and type in 90, just like so. Now you want to drag these blocks into the blocks on button A pressed or on button B pressed, etc. So you're going to want to do that. Okay. Now that's almost it for the coding part, and you're done. So now what we're going to do is connect the microbit to the computer to transfer the code. So now I'm going to take you back to the software part for a little bit, and we're going to connect the microbit to the computer. Okay, welcome back to the hardware part. Now we're going to want to connect our microbit to the computer. So you're going to want to take your data cable and your microbit, and you're going to want to take the end of the data cable, which should be micro USB-C, and stick it right into the port that's up top of the microbit. Okay, then you're going to want to take the end of the cable, which is USB-A, and stick it into your computer. Just like so. And now your microbit should light up. Now that that's done, we can do some more software, and then I'm going to show you the end result. Okay, now that that's done, you can come back to the Microsoft website, and then right down here, you're going to see this big purple download button. Now we're going to click it, and then you're going to want to make the browser window smaller, and on your desktop, this microbit icon should appear. Now that it's downloaded, the code is downloaded, and you're going to want to open the microbit icon, And then you're gonna press and drag the program right into the window of the microbit. Okay, now you're gonna wait a little bit for it to download. And cool, now it's done. And now you can start enjoying your Servomotor. So I'm gonna show you it. Okay, now we're all done, and now you can enjoy your Servomotor. So I'm gonna show you how it works. Now on your microbit, you have these little buttons, and you can click them. And right now, if I click the button B or A, it goes here. And then if I press both of the buttons together, so A plus B, it will go to 90 degrees. And then when I press B, it will go to the left. And when I press A, it will go to the right. Pretty cool, right? So that is all. And I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope it helped. And that's it. So have a nice day, or have a good night. And yeah, bye-bye.